In my last video, I got many inquiries about how to make homemade Thandai Masala recipe. So with the Holi festival just around the corner, I thought it's the perfect time to share a recipe that will add a burst of flavor and color to your Holi celebration. So I will show you that recipe, and being a baker, I will also show you how to use it in our cake icing or cake frosting as well. So I will show you how to make Thandai ganache and Thandai mousse using my homemade Thandai masala. So let's get started with the ingredients. Just have a look at this super nutritious ingredient. Can you imagine the aroma in my kitchen? I've got peppercorns, cardamom, melon seeds, poppy seeds, dried rose petals, almonds and cashews. It's like a treasure trove of the flavors. So let us roast these ingredients except for those rose petals. After you roast it for good about 10 to 15 minutes, let these ingredients cool down for about 20 minutes. Only after that, start grinding it. Once the ingredients cool down a bit, grind these beauties into a fine powder, and while grinding, you can add those rose petals which you had kept it aside. Along with rose petals, you can also add some saffron or some kesar into this powder. That is going to add beautiful aroma and flavor to your Thandai masala. By the way, feel free to get creative with your own variations. After all, cooking is all about adding your personal touch, isn't it? And there you have it, our very own sugar-free Thandai masala. Doesn't it look amazing? You can store this in a nice container, in an airtight container, and store this refrigerated for about 1 to 2 months. Now let me show you how to make Thandai milk using this Thandai masala. So for this, I am boiling about 150 ml of milk, and to that I am adding about 3 teaspoons of Thandai masala. Also add sugar as per your taste. Now let this milk boil very nicely, let it reduce in volume and let it cool down completely before you start serving it to your guests. In fact, put this into the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. You can even store this overnight. I personally love the chilled version of this milk. And the best part is that this can be your cake soaking syrup as well. Yeah, you have heard me right. You can use this for soaking your cakes very nicely. But before I talk more about this milk, let's move on to the star of the show, which is our Thandai ganache. Ganache is like the magic ingredient of the baking world, isn't it? It is smooth and creamy and it is so delicious. Today I am going to give it a festive twist with our homemade Thandai masala. So simply heat up about 150 ml of fresh cream, and to that add about 250 grams of white chocolate. Melt this in the microwave at high power for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And now here comes the secret ingredient. 2.5 tablespoons of our delicious Thandai masala. Just look at that heavenly consistency. This Thandai ganache is ready to take your cakes, cupcakes and desserts to a whole new level. Absolute perfection, isn't it? But wait, there is more. If you want to learn how to use this milk for soaking your cake, how to use this divine ganache for creating your show-stopping cake, simply type cakes in the comment box below, and I will share the video on how to make a Thandai cake flavored cake for your upcoming Holi celebration. You know what? This ganache recipe that I'm sharing, it is so amazing. You can just mix it up with some whipped cream and make another dessert, Thandai mousse, and make your family so happy on this amazing Holi festival by creating a unique flavor from the comfort of your own kitchen. By the way, I have been getting many comments from aspiring bakers who are watching this video saying that they know how to make cakes but they don't know how to launch their bakery business from home. So if you have a dream of starting your home bakery business, I've got a perfect thing for you. Join my free webinar and learn how to kickstart your home bakery business in just 30 days. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can do this for sure. And I'm so happy that you are carrying that dream in your eyes. Just type home bakery in the comments to get a free registration link. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. By the way, our ganache is ready, our Thandai milk is ready, and our mousse is also ready. So guys, thanks for joining me today, and do like, share and subscribe for more such delicious recipes and baking adventures. Until next time, happy baking and have a beautiful happy Holi celebrations with your amazing and lovely people around you. Thank you so much.